My Canva looks a bit wonky and I want to give it a bit of magic. Let's go to Canva AI and we'll type in here activate superpowers. You can see here I'm experiencing Canva 1.0 and even better experience in 2. So we want to activate Canva AI 2.0 and let's see what that looks like. And the superpowers, yay, generating my new superpowers. You see all of these, what you designed today. Yo. I'm giving my Canva account a new splurge. I will have the magic of Canva AI on the top of this place. Let's test run and see what this can do. I'm just going to collapse this. Let's see what this can do. So the first thing you're going to test out is say create about me. So this account I'm using to do this now has 253 designs. And let's see what it creates about me ish. Yeah, it's ready now. So let's open that. Everything you need to know about me, Rachel. You can see this. But even knows where I'm based. This is what it knows about me, by the way. This is a bit correct about what I put into it. So that is about it.